Heren, wakker worden. Very busy with each other, but not with the road. Stupid as fuck that I'm driving here, but that's what I do. Getting away from the schoolyard, not being here anymore. Let me see, no, that's not an option. This will be an option. This here is called Gravenburg. Whole new area. Well, new. It's here a little bit, but I'm not frequently going here. Bicycle path is not up to par. Loose gravel, bumpy. Go in here, have a look where this will end up. Ooh, that's not nice. It's not smooth. I have to tell you, it's getting warm, real warm. But the nice houses here. Well, that's strange. Dead end. Probably missed a sign or something. Gewoon doorrijden, nuts. Was coming from the right, but you drive like a bitch. Taking the inside corner with the car. Why? Well, going back to the main road. Well, on to topic. That's what I do with my bike. When something breaks off, I will change it. And I also try to maintain everything which should be in good order, like tire pressure is the most important. What I'm done will do most of the time. And occasionally I will check the bolts if they are, or the nuts if they are tight enough. Not the incident that I had last time. I thought the bearings were loose, but in reality the whole wheel was loose in the front. You don't want that to happen. You really don't. Magnusstraat. Only one wants to look where I am. By the way, if you like this video, and you would like to subscribe, please do. Give me a thumbs up if the video is what you like. You can also give a comment, and if you don't like the video, well, no problem, and I will see it also. But it would be nice when you go thumbs down to tell me why you give a thumbs down. Augustinusstraat. But of course, like everyone on YouTube, I like the positive comments and people liking my videos. And actually I don't have a lot of subscribers, only 4 at the moment. It's not very much, but I would appreciate it when you see the video that you subscribe. Thank you in advance. Also, when you see this video, you have a comment for another idea, like another topic, or maybe a question about the route, or any other question, feel free to post a comment. It's also, of course, possible to follow my route on Google Earth, Google Street View. Most part of the Netherlands, Google car has been. Except for my street where I live, it's not been there. At least not the part where I live. But when you like to follow my route, okay? Or when you look on Street View, Google Earth, Maps. Mostly the routes I take, I don't plan in beforehand. Of course, only the ones I'm going from home to work and work to home. That's of course planned because I have to be somewhere. But the route I'm taking now, I didn't plan it. I just took a left or a right somewhere, and that's when I end up here. Actually go through the parking lot to cut the corner. Chinese restaurant, smells very nice, makes me hungry. Well, hungry, it may be a bad word. When I smell the food, I like to have some. So, a little bit of headwind again. And the city of Groningen is also visible again. At the moment I am on the, let me see, the northwest side of Groningen. The northwestern part. Bicycle man in front of me having difficulties with the wind. Man, it was easier the other way around. By the way, it's today a little bit, this afternoon a little bit warmer than this morning. This morning it was a little bit chilly in the shorts. Still wearing the shorts, same shirt. But I'm actually sweating a little bit more. Sweating on the back. And even sweating on my chest. There's actually one downside of the chest rig. You have elastic bands around your torso and about your shoulders. Plastic in the back, plastic in the front where the camera is. And it generates some heat. But I actually like the wind for cooling. Gives me some lower temperatures. I actually think the camera microphone is affected by this wind. What now I'm doing is covering my mouth with my hand on top of it so the sound goes down. Hand on top of the mouth, no hand. Hand on it, no hand. Should be a difference. What I am going to do, I take the first to the right, and I will have the wind on my right side, not directly in front. Actually, my bike is an easy bike to maintain. Not a lot of work has to be done. When it works, it works. And actually, when I'm cleaning my bike, it doesn't have to be clean all the way. Because in Groningen, when you have a nice shiny bike, it looks new and expensive, chances are great that it will be stolen. That's why I always lock my bike with two locks, one in the rear wheel. Another one is a chain with a lock. So that's much easier with the wind. So whenever I have the chance, or always actually when I'm putting my bike somewhere, the shop or whatever, I will lock it in the rear, lock to the rear wheel, a fixed lock on the bike itself. And also I chain my bike with the chain to everything is solid, like a lamp post or traffic sign or whatever. I always will lock it to something. You just have to. When you don't, you're screwed. Let's see what time it is. It's 8 minutes before 1. Well, again the same spot here, only from a different side. Same road, less traffic. Now I'm taking a different route. Of course through here. Trying to go to the yellow houses on the left side at 9 o'clock at the moment. Not visible for you. Bike I have is a single speed, so that's also less maintenance. One gear, no trouble to getting different gears. Selecting the gears. Trying to put the gears in the right order. Nothing of that problem of that magnitude. Only one gear, one chain, 2 sprockets. Nothing more. Don't have handbrakes. There's the brake when I stop braking or stop cycling and pedal back. Brake. Let's take the corner here. Bump in the road. A little bit bumpy here. Another bump ahead. Big. Not a clue why that is. No trees to undermine the bicycle path. Still bumpy.